Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're a Garmin enthusiast or a serious runner, you might want to pay close attention. Fresh leaks are suggesting that Garmin is gearing up for another major launch. This time, all signs point to the arrival of the Garmin Forerunner 975, a next-generation smartwatch aimed at endurance athletes and fitness lovers. Garmin Forerunner 975, leaks and early speculations. Recent developments indicate that Garmin is preparing to introduce a new addition to its acclaimed Forerunner series. Over the past weekend, an intriguing new filing appeared in the Federal Communications Commission database, hinting at an upcoming wearable device from Garmin. Historically, such filings have been reliable indicators of imminent product releases, as all electronic devices must receive regulatory certification before they can be sold to consumers. Industry analysts and fitness tech insiders, including the 5K runner, have been closely monitoring these developments. They speculate that the Garmin Forerunner 975 could be the next big thing, following in the footsteps of the Forerunner 965 and 265, which launched in 2023. With Garmin consistently refreshing its lineup every year, it seems highly likely that a successor is on the way, FCC. Filing confirms Garmin's next smartwatch. The FCC filing for a device labeled A04968, submitted in December 2024, strongly suggests that Garmin has something new in store.
While the document does not explicitly reveal specifications, it does confirm that the product is expected to launch before summer 2025. This timeline aligns with Garmin's historical release patterns, as previous Forerunner models have often debuted in March or April. Adding fuel to the speculation, Garmin has been systematically updating several of its smartwatch lines in recent months. We've already seen new versions of the Approach, Descent, Enduro, Fenix, and Instinct series, leaving the Forerunner lineup as one of the last remaining product families awaiting an update. Expected features and upgrades in the Garmin Forerunner 975i. If this new device is indeed the Forerunner 975, we can expect some exciting upgrades, potentially including enhanced performance tracking. Garmin has been improving its running dynamics, heart rate monitoring, and VO2 max estimates in recent models. The Forerunner 975 could introduce even more precise metrics tailored for professional athletes and marathon runners. Improved battery life. Battery efficiency is always a key concern for Garmin users, and the Forerunner 975 could see a boost in its longevity, potentially introducing solar charging features, as seen in the Fenix and Enduro series. New training metrics. Features like real-time stamina tracking, adaptive training guidance, and AI-powered coaching suggestions could set the Forerunner 975 apart from its predecessors. Advanced navigation and mapping. Expect multi-band GNSS support, turn-by-turn navigation, and expanded topographic maps to enhance outdoor and long-distance training. Will Garmin Pay be removed from the Forerunner 975? One unexpected detail in the FCC listing has raised some eyebrows. There is no mention of Garmin Pay support. This is surprising, as Garmin Pay has been a standard feature in high-end Forerunner models. It remains unclear whether this omission is a temporary placeholder or if Garmin is planning to remove the feature altogether. Given that contactless payments have become a key feature for many smartwatch users, it would be unusual for Garmin to exclude it. However, if Garmin Pay is truly missing from the Forerunner 975, it could indicate a shift in Garmin's strategy, perhaps to reduce costs or focus on performance features instead. Garmin Forerunner 975 release date and price predictions, based on Garmin's past release patterns. The Forerunner 975 is expected to be officially announced between March and April 2025. The pricing is still unknown, but given the Forerunner 965 launched at $599, we can expect the 975 to fall within the same range, or slightly higher if new, advanced features are introduced. Final thoughts. Is the Garmin Forerunner 975 worth the hype? If you are a serious runner, triathlete, or fitness enthusiast, the Garmin Forerunner 975 could be one of the best smartwatch options in 2025. With likely improvements in performance tracking, battery life, and training metrics, this device could set a new benchmark for sports wearables.
That's all for today. Stay tuned as we follow the latest Garmin leaks, smartwatch trends, and wearable tech news. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video, only on Techno Trend Zone.